that was good. I didn't even notice it.
So,
You played me, right?
you thought you're the only player. There's two of us.
Okay.
On the head.
Even better. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. That was needed. I feel better. Oh, wow. I felt that spine. Ooh. Like from here down. I used to think we've done, as sports people, like we've done medicals, but this is on another level. Hey guys, you have to check this doctor out, man. He's the man, he's the man.
Appreciate it, it.
This is a wedding band.
No,
Later.
no,
Okay,
before your wife sees it, she will come after me. She will come after me. On your lap. Remember, this is, even if you're wearing earring, this can be still safe because it's using infrared. Should I tell them the story how I knew who you were?
Go ahead.
So I saw your name on the file. I said, this last name, because I played, well, they call it soccer in the US or football here. I saw your name on this file. I said, this last name, I've been playing FIFA. And he has missed some goals, and I'm looking for this person.
That's a good one.
I said, why are they doing this to me? Then I asked you, you say yes, you. I said, oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's that.
But it's not you, it's a video game.
Because I had my hat on, my mask.
Yeah, you had on a cap, mask. I just saw the name and I said, I don't think it's only you with that last name. It's other people with that last name.
Yeah.
So your own is here. What it's supposed to look like is here. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison. So because of your professional, you usually get annual checkups and so on. So I'm not surprised that nothing too severe. It's just minor things that we can improve.
Okay.
You can see the straightness here.
Yeah.
If you look at your own, slightly deviating to the right side.
Yeah.
But it's nothing too
major.
Yeah, so just things that can improve with the adjustments plus the health tips. Okay?
Yeah.
Hips are pretty okay. If you want to be picky, you can say this left side, this is right. Slightly higher than this. But again, it's nothing like this. It's just slightly. Look at the next one.
So is that from the body posture or something?
It's from over time of you playing football.
Yeah.
Slouching plays a role. Sleeping position.
I do that a lot.
So bad habits play a role as well. Car accident, of course, but I think mostly your own is from being a pro athlete. And also habits as far as sitting and so forth. Sleeping position and so on, which is why I'm not saying it's a severe case, because those things are things that you can correct or even improve upon.
This is the first time I'm actually seeing my whole spine.
So the other time you do it, they just tell you.
Your doctor is in charge. They tell you when you have an issue and when you're done.
I tell people that I want you to see it. But if you see it now, it's not just, he said this and this. It's more of, I saw it.
And it's clear from the comparison of the straight one and the one I have.
Exactly. So now, this one you can see the curve. One is more straight. So this one is mostly because of the slouching.
I do that a lot. My missus has been telling me I slouch a lot.
Even within this space, this is where the discs are. You can see how you can see this disc. Then this is L4, L5, S1. Then this lower lumbar area, the discs are more narrowed. Not to the point where it's a red flag, but more of, okay, to be conscious and work on it. And then you're already used to stretching. So we just have to be more consistent with the stretches, the adjustments, and the habits. Okay? And we'll move to the upper area. straightness here. If you want to be picky, you can say it's deviating to the left, to the right.
Yeah.
See how the body
A
is?
little bit, yeah.
And this is now the neck. See the space here? See how your arm doesn't have that space?
Yeah.
Which is telling us what's known as an anterior head carriage. When you slouch, excuse me, automatically the neck comes forward. Because if you're sitting upright, your neck won't be here. And once my head is still here and I slouch, it looks like it's coming.
That's my weakness.
But this now, being aware is one, that you've seen it.
Yeah.
Now it's easier to feel like this once you
remember you sit up again.
So the adjustments we'll do plus the health tips definitely go a long way.
I think I need to have this as my screensaver. So whenever I'm like, oh no, I'll sit up.
And it's digital, so before you leave, they'll send it to you via email.
Yeah.
So you can, it's a joke, but it's really something you can.
You'll help me.
It will play a big role. Once you see, or you can use this as your screensaver or use me as your screensaver. So you see me. I'm joking.
My missus said, who's that? Doctor, no way, yeah. I use this.
So either you put me as your screensaver or you put this.
Well, honestly, this is...
If you put your wife, it's okay as well.
Yeah. She needs to come here. I think this is for everybody. Like, you know, as much as I've been an athlete and I've done medicals, routine checks every year, but you know, this is the highest because now I can see what is wrong with my body.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And now it's easier to, if I say, oh, you're supposed to sit up, it's easier. Because you see it. But if you didn't see anything and I'm telling you your neck is forward, this and this, try to sit up. In one ear, out the other. But the more you see it, the more you're like, oh, okay, you have that visual memory.
Do you know, just, you know, being conscious, this is the longest I've sat up, like without
this.
Because it's not in my mind.
That is there.
Before I'll be slashing again and try to balance and just move. But now, it's in my mind.
Down. Roll the head back. This one down.
Ooh, that was good. I didn't even notice it. You played me, right?
You thought you're the only player. There's two of us.
Okay.
Turn the head.
Even better. Ooh.
Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. Let it go. In again. And out. In. And out. Come up here, ready?
Wow. Wow. That was needed. Now I feel better.
Down. This one will help to decompress the spine. Okay? Bring the head up. Down. I know for sure you've never had this before.
No, never.
That's not the way you looked at it.
Yeah, I'm looking at it like, hey, you trying to choke me here.
Deep breath in and out. Bring your hand to your chest.
Oh, wow. I felt that spine.
Right.
Oh.
So you felt it more on the lower back?
Yeah, my lower back, yeah. Wow. Like from here down. Felt it.
And that's how you know that this white strap is not for the neck.
Okay.
If it was for the neck, you just feel it here.
Yeah.
But if you can feel it very well,
Yeah.
you're seeing compression.
Yeah.
Tells you everything is connected.
It's connected to the body. Wow. This is high level. Honestly, I used to think we've done, as sports people, like we've done medicals, but this is on another level. Hey guys, you have to check this doctor out, man. He's the man, he's the man.
Appreciate it. Come on, rest a little bit. So you rest like 10 minutes, okay? Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing it.
Ooh. Ah.
Ow! Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.